Okay, we received this really nice box of 3D printed fidget toys from the brand. So thank you for giving us these. We are gonna show you what they look like and you can hear what my daughter thinks of them. So this is what they look like. We have opened them, so they did come packaged, but they're really cute fidgets. I'll show you how one of them opens. They're 3D printed and they open and you can move them from both ends, which is really neat. So I'm going to show you all of them that came in the box and let you see what my daughter thinks of them. Okay, so they came in a 12 pack, so you can see what the box looks like with all the different options. And then my daughter's going to kind of show you how she likes them and tell you a little bit of what she likes about them.
So I love that they just twist around. It's just like so fun to play with that there's all sorts of colors. There's 4 types of them, and I really love the colors of them because it's so pretty. It is so fun to play with.